Earth, a paradise at first glance. Clear skies, blue waters, peace. Forests, once full of life, now turn to ash. On every corner trash piles up. Streets become homes for animals left behind, struggling to survive. We buy plastic without thinking. One bottle, used for minutes, pollutes for hundreds of years, and yet no place to throw it. Our canals, trees, and seas are drowning in waste. Nature is screaming. But are we listening? We still have a choice. Protect what we love. Before it's too late.